Well, hello again, YouTube. Welcome to the Lepenis channel. We are hopefully going offshore fishing today. We're getting some gas. We're stopped getting some gas, and hopefully we're gonna get out and do some amberjack jigging, vertical jigging. Maybe get some big baits down for some gags. Maybe get on some mangrove snapper. We'll see. Hopefully the conditions are good. We're just saying it's the first time in a long time we've got up in the morning and there wasn't thunderstorms on the coast, so that is a good sign. But stay with us. Hopefully we'll fill the box. We'll catch you later.
That red snapper right there,
Bro. Well, we're closing one down slowly on the jig head, trying to get it off the bottom.
A red grouper.
It's a red grouper. Oh yeah. It's because they're not really coming up, and it basically just went until it was on the bottom anyway.
Yep.
Right. I know. We got Andrew hooked up with something big, hoping a scamp or a gag, because we can keep those. Red grouper are currently closed, so we're hoping not a red grouper. It's coming up. Are you sure? Dag nabbit. Yep, and that. Yeah, he might not have made it anyway, bro.
Nope.
Caught him on some grunt. Cut grunt. Andrew, you're just gonna be the star of the video today. I've got one fish on camera. Come on, gag grouper. Come on, gagalicious. Ooh, let's Oh, yeah, it is a gag. I don't know if he's 24, bro. He might have made the old mark. He's probably 21, 22.
Yeah.